So I dug out the area where this planter box is going to go, and it's going to be about 2 feet by 2 feet and about 8 inches high, built with reclaimed wood, to pretty much match our front entryway. So shouldn't take too long. So I have these 3 pieces of reclaimed wood, the same wood that I used for the flower box in the front entryway. There were 3 leftover pieces I was able to reclaim, and I'm going to use probably maybe this one with the holes in it and this little one right here. I'll save this long piece here for something different, but this shouldn't take too long. I'm going to try to match what it looks like in the front entryway. All right, let's get started.
It's a great